Imagine a universe completely devoid of motion. It is pitch black, dead, and perfectly still, a state of total cosmic dissolution. During this eternal night, Hindu cosmology envisions the Supreme Lord resting within a vast cosmic ocean. This diagram shows the Gunas, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. These are the fundamental building blocks of nature. During dissolution, they are locked into perfect equilibrium. As long as that deadlock holds, the universe is frozen. Matter cannot form, and life cannot begin. In physics, an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. The question is, what specific force could move a perfectly balanced cosmos? Ancient philosophers wrestled with this problem of stillness for centuries. A mechanical answer is recorded here, in the verses of the Bhagavata Purana. This text introduces a unique prime mover that breaks the laws of cosmic inertia. It transforms our everyday experience. The Bhagavata Purana identifies that force as time, Kala. This is an active, kinetic power deployed by God to initiate change. When the Supreme Lord desires to become many, he does not sculpt the universe by hand. Instead, he deploys time into the dormant system. Time strikes the perfect equilibrium of the gunas, shatters their absolute balance, and triggers the first cosmic motion. This sudden imbalance causes the building blocks of nature to aggressively mix, mutate, and multiply. Without the disruption caused by time, existence itself is mechanically impossible. In the immediate aftermath of this disruption, the raw elements congeal into a massive incubating structure known as the Brahmanda, or cosmic egg. From this chaos emerges Brahma. He acts as the architect, shaping the raw material into a structured universe. He initiates a tenfold sequence of creation, flowing downward from subtle elements and raw senses, all the way to planets, gods, and humans. This explosion of creation follows a blueprint dictated by the accumulated karma of souls from the previous universe. Every physical object and living being in our current universe is the direct, downstream result of time breaking that original stillness. Now that the universe is in motion, it operates under the absolute dictatorship of Khanda Kala, divided, measurable time. These divisions span from 15 twinklings of a human eye to the colossal 4.32 billion year duration of a single day of Brahma. Every entity generated in the cascade, including Brahma, is bound by a strict expiration date enforced by this cosmic clock. Time functions as the inescapable enforcer in the physical world, regulating the lifespan of every atom and galaxy. When the cosmic deadlines expire at the end of a kalpa, time shifts from an engine of growth into an engine of destruction. The entire universe collapses in on itself, reversing the long cascade until everything is dragged back into total darkness. This process resets the gunas back to their unmoving equilibrium, ready for the cycle to begin again. Our universe exists as a temporary state of temporal agitation, caught between two eternities of perfect stillness. If time builds and destroys the entire universe, it raises the question of whether time is the supreme master of reality. There is an exception found in the concept of Akhanda Kala, Undivided Time, which exists only in the highest divine reality, Paramapada. In this highest reality, time exists, but it lacks the power to disrupt, age, or destroy. This cosmic clock is the engine that woke the universe from its slumber and the force that will put it back to sleep, all wielded by a power that exists beyond its reach.